types of classifications. Types of classifications. In the previous aspects, we completed identification, classification. Identification and nomenclature. Third one is types of classifications. So what is classification? The first one is, what is classification? Classification. Systematic arrangement of all plant groups according to certain rules. So that is classification. Arrangement of plant groups. Arrangement of plants in different groups. In different groups, arrangement of plants in different groups according to laws. According to laws. So this is considered as a classification. So classifications are three types. So many classifications are there. So many scientists, herbalists, and modern scientists. So many scientists are given different type of classifications. Those are classified into three types. Three types of classifications. Three types of classifications. So first one is artificial classification. Artificial classifications or artificial system of classification. And second one is natural type of classification. Natural classification. And the third one is phylogenetic classification. Phylogenetic classification. So these are the different type of classifications. Now we are going to discussing about what is artificial classification, what are the examples for artificial classifications. So we have to discuss about artificial classification. Artificial classification is nothing but the classification is purely based on only one or two morphological characters. Classification based on only one or two morphological characters. Morphological characters. Okay, understand? The classification is purely based on only one or two morphological characters. The type of classifications are artificial classifications. For example, all plants are divided into only three groups based on the height. So those are herbs, shrubs, and trees. So this is only one. The classification is based on only one morphological feature, that is only height. So those are herbs, shrubs, and trees. So this is one type of classification. Artificial classifications examples are Theophrast classification, Aristotle classification, Aristotle, Theophrastus, and Linnaeus classification. Okay, Linnaeus classification. Linnaeus classification. So these are some examples for the artificial classification. And the second one is natural classification. Natural classification. what is natural type of classification and example for the natural type of classification. The classification is based on not only morphological characters but also there are considering the relationship between different plant groups. The classification is based on relationship of different plant groups, and also some morphological characters. Okay, the classification is based on relationship between different plant groups, similarities and dissimilarities, and also some morphological features. And this is a natural type of classification. Best example for the natural type of classification is Bentham and Hooker classification. Example is Bentham, Bentham and Hooker type of classification, and also some more examples for this is Bessey classification. So these are some examples for the natural system of classification. Okay, and the third one is